Think your database returns results in any meaningful order by default? It doesn't. Here's how to take control. To sort query results in SQL, you use the RWY clause. Place it at the end of your select statement, after the here clause if you have one, followed by the column you want to sort. By default, RWY sorts ascending, smallest to largest. To reverse that and get the highest values first, append the DESC keyword. DESC stands for descending. For example, select name, salary from employees, RWY salary DESC returns employees ranked highest salary to lowest. DESC is the signal that tells the database engine to invert the sort direction. 2 things to remember. First, if you skip DESC and just write RWY column, the database defaults to ascending, smallest to largest, A to Z. You never need to write ASC explicitly, it is implied. Second, you can sort by multiple columns. Just separate them with commas, each with its own direction. For example, RWY department ASC, salary DESC sorts rows by department alphabetically, then by salary from highest to lowest within each group. Use RWY column DESC to sort results descending, stack multiple columns with commas for compound sorting, and remember ASC is always the default. Hit subscribe for more interview prep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.